Hello, thank you for coming back to our videos. This is, of course, why do people have four blood types? Actually, there are more than four. There's actually eight, which I'll explain later. But this question came from Saika. She's my TCUE student, second year, so sophomore student. So, of course, you can see here, this is a great drawing I found on the internet. The four main blood types. So there's actually A, B, and O. And there's actually a RH factor, which could be positive or negative. So technically it could be O positive, O negative, B positive, B negative. For example, all of them have positive or negatives. But why do we have these four blood types? This is very interesting. So type A, of course, as it shows here, these are all red blood cells. Type A, the red blood cells have A antigen attached to the red blood cells. So as you can see in the top left picture here, the red circles. But then we have type B, which are the white squares. They have B antigen, which are symbolized by the white squares. So A is, of course, red circles. B is the white squares. Then, of course, AB includes them both. So type AB, of course, have A and B antigens attached to red blood cells. And then, of course, O has none of them attached, of course. And this factors in, of course, depends on, it's all from genetics, of course, who our parents are, gives us who these are. For example, it says here, yeah, here, genetic inheritance. If, yes, so here we go. Yes, three alleles, A, B, or O, and how they're combined is what type we have. If we're AA or AO, so from our parents, then that means we're type A. If we're BB or BO, of course, we're type B. If we're AB, results in, of course, AB, and OO results in, of course, O. It's very interesting. But I think my student, so down to this picture again with the red blood types and antigens, my student, because I live in Japan, probably asked this question because in Japan, it's a part of your horoscope. It's part of your fortune telling. For example, like in America, we do monthly horoscopes. In China, they do yearly horoscopes, yearly characters. In Japan, one of the strongest things I was surprised when I came here was blood types. That's why everybody in Japan knows their blood type. So they were surprised as an American that I didn't know it. Like, what's your blood type, Ken? I don't know. Usually the nurse will actually know. It'll be on my medical record, so I don't need it. Except when I go to the hospital and get a blood transfusion, I wouldn't need it, and the nurse would probably wouldn't trust me, so she would know herself on my record. So, but yeah, but in Japan, they actually believe that those four blood types are for different types of people. So you can see here, for horoscopes, for example, here in the bottom here, yes, it says so type A is conservative and responsible, and cautious and functional. Type AB, so which are you? So write in the comments below which blood type are you, and do you agree with these horoscopes? Type AB, of course, understanding, organized, rational, and cool. And of course, type B, unpredictable, passionate, confident, and impulsive. And of course, type O is, of course, natural leaders, ambitious, confident, sociable. How about you? Which blood type are you? And do you agree with these Japanese horoscopes? Yeah, they even have books every year where they come out with type A people, type O people. They come out with these books to match and kind of predict your future. So again, this is a great question for my student. Again, the question was, why do we have four blood types? So if you have any questions yourself, don't forget to write them in the comments, and we'll see you in our next video. Take care. See you.